Which synonym belongs to historical? The correct answer is bygone. Which synonym belongs to notorious? The correct answer is infamous. Which synonym belongs to palimpsest? The correct answer is codex rescriptus. Which synonym belongs to prosperous? The correct answer is favorable. Which synonym belongs to squash? The correct answer is condense. Which synonym belongs to proponent? The correct answer is exponent. Which synonym belongs to equable? The correct answer is constant. Which synonym belongs to reticence? The correct answer is introversion. Which synonym belongs to rare? The correct answer is selly. Which synonym belongs to travail? The correct answer is progression. Which synonym belongs to flare? The correct answer is elegance. Which synonym belongs to beneficial? The correct answer is behooful. Which synonym belongs to extort? The correct answer is wrench. Which synonym belongs to foolhardy? The correct answer is bold. Which synonym belongs to paltry? The correct answer is unimportant. Which synonym belongs to humid? The correct answer is damp. Which synonym belongs to buccaneer? The correct answer is pirate. Which synonym belongs to nominal? The correct answer is trifling. Which synonym belongs to draconian? The correct answer is harsh. Which synonym belongs to chaff? The correct answer is window.